What is groove? Groove is the rhythmic feeling and swing that all the elements of a track give you. The best way that I can explain it is this. Imagine you've got a drum loop and it goes dung dung da dung dung da da dung dung da 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 da. Please excuse my singing. Did you see my body, how it moved when I went da? When I had a really high note there, the velocity of the note was louder than the one that was previously. What the velocity of all those notes and the position of those notes are doing and make me move my body in a certain way to that groove. And that's the key element here. The groove is the feeling of the music rhythmically. And you can design that based upon the position of each note, the swing, the volume of each note, and how they all work together. And in a lot of instances, how they work into the backbeat, the snare, or the clap in our instances. And this is the key thing. I would always go, okay, how is this making me feel? How is this making my body move? Just like when I explained to the dung, dung, da, dung, dung, da, da. You know, it's making me go like that. That's what the groove's doing. So it's not just about slapping on a swing. It's about changing the velocities. And then once you've got them there, you've got your swing and you've got your velocities and you quite like it, try messing around with it. Try moving a few things here and there. Try pushing the clap forward, seeing how that makes you feel. Does it give you a sense of urgency or does it make it feel a bit more laid back? Only you can find out what works for you and your track by doing this yourself. I generally don't like to quantize everything to the same swing. I think, although it sounds better than it being straight 16s and a bit robotic, I think it's still quite a bit obvious, and we still want to add that human feeling to it. So a lot of the time, if everything's swung to the same quantize or whatever it might be, I might add a shaker that's got something slightly different, or I might go in and move a few of the notes around so they're slightly different. Some of the old house tracks had 16s grooves and triplets on other elements within that groove to give you that feeling of the old Todd Terry kind of vibe. The way I find a groove at the beginning of a track to see how it feels is I'll get a 16s hi-hat and I will just find a groove or a swing that I think is going to work for that track. I might change it later on, but generally keep to it. Or as I said, I might find a loop that I really like the groove of, bring that into the track, extract the groove from that, and then apply that groove to everything else in my track. So it's not a standard electronic music swing.